As you know, friends, we're here to talk about the partner race that we've launched. The company ELECTROATOM has launched the partner race and anyone can take part in it. To do so, you first need to be a leader who will form their own team. Today, we're making this video to show you a bit about how to register on the site so you can take advantage of this opportunity. Follow me now, let's go. So, registering on the site is very simple. You go to your platform, you come here to the specific section that's clearly mentioned here in French. As you can plainly see, you just simply click right there. You see, 1 year to win a car for yourself. Everything is written here. There's the winner, the main objective. Be careful, but you need to have expert status. You simply scroll down and you'll see here at this level it's written in Russian, but on your screens it will be displayed in French. So you can see the conditions to be able to take part in this event, which are very clearly defined. There are 4 stages, as you know: $45,000, $90,000, $135,000, and $180,000. And what you earn, there are also bonuses that are paid to you. So, to participate is very simple. You come here, as mentioned, to the list of participants. First, you'll clearly see the date prominently displayed in front of you, the current date, and also you can simply scroll down here and then click right here to register for the race. You will simply confirm your registration with just one quick click and you're all completely set. So after successfully completing the registration process, the page will automatically refresh itself and you'll then come directly to this very page. Here you can see my name displayed, but also the status, like the expert status. And it's very simple. The expert status is the only one truly required to be able to take part in this important partner race. Here, as you can see, there is a diagram. And to do this, before the end of the race, we still have 363 days remaining. And so you come here, you see at the start, we have a $45,000 bonus. You go back with $5,000, $90,000, $5,000, $135,000, $5,000, but also $180,000. You go up to $10,000. Not to mention that here, as you can clearly see, the leader can invest their money and with their dedicated team. When you have accumulated $45,000, you automatically win an additional $5,000. This means that $1,000 is specifically given to the team leader. That's actually the 20%. And the remaining 80% is shared equitably with their team members. Within that 80%, the leader always receives a significant share. What exactly does that mean? It means that the more money you invest, the greater your chance of being the lucky winner. You can go up to $180,000, and with that significant amount at that very point, you could be the fortunate and lucky winner of the grand prize, which is the Shanghai Unique car. So, my dear friends, what exactly are you waiting for? Hurry up right now and take part in this incredible event, this amazing promotion that's truly about to revolutionize your entire lives. So, when you scroll down quickly, you'll clearly see the current status of the race. And here you can easily see the fantastic team that has been successfully formed. Several teams will be taking part. And right here at this current level, you'll be able to see which team is ahead as well as their overall current status. How did they invest? How much have they earned? How much have they contributed so far? And from that, you can see whether you've worked well or if you're on the right track. So hurry up and invest so you can win this promotion that will allow you to be the lucky winner. But don't forget that you have shares that will be involved. And this is clearly shown on the screen, as you can see. So to do this, my friends, you've completed this first step. You've gotten a bit of an understanding of this new page. Now let's look at the investment section. How can you invest? It's right now. Please click here. Simply just click. You see, here you are, you can see, buy investment packages, shares, stocks. Everything is clearly defined. So let me remind you that for everyone who has taken installment packages, those are also taken into account. So if you pay for your packages, that is also counted towards the partner competition. That's why you shouldn't be late with your payments. Hurry up and pay for your packages. Now just follow along on the screen. With $4,000 in my account, I simply come here and select a $1,000 package. To do this, I just come here and confirm. Let me remind you that here you can use the bonus, but you don't do that. Because even though we can see that we have the bonus, we are not using it. We are only using the main account, the money that we currently have available in the main account. So to do this, I'm just going to uncheck this part and you'll see $1,000 will appear. How is this going to work? Just pay, that's all. As you can see, friends, after refreshing the page, after making the payment, let me remind you that you can also use your bonuses to make payments. There's no problem with that, but it's recommended to use the main account. So you come here, the page has been refreshed. We are now at the expert level. And as I said, you saw that my contribution is $1,000. When I made the payment, it automatically shows here $1,000, and over there, the expected bonus is $1,098. I simply scroll down, and here I will see race status. In the race status section, you can see my name, Josue Diuba, expert, and it shows $1,000, meaning a payment of $1,000. And you can see that a percentage is displayed, 0.56%, that is, about 1% has already been paid out. So what can we conclude? We can say that we are very close to the partner race. We are very close to the lucky winner. We are very close to becoming the winner and also winning the grand prize, which is this car, because we have already made great progress. If you have a team, you can build it, since you have 363 days to reach this level of $180,000. So, as you can see here, we are on my account, and to continue, you just need to click here. When you get here, you will see the entire structure right in front of you. And for that matter here, this is what we have been able to bring in all together. Yesterday, it was listed as $1,000, and here, this is just the contribution. So as you can see, this is the expert bonus, the expert level bonus, which is clearly indicated. As you can clearly see here, to thoroughly view the intricate structure, you simply need to carefully look. We are currently at a very low level, but it progressively gets much closer to the ultimate end when you thoughtfully make significant investments at this particular level. You will see that it will increase up to this level. And here, you are just at 0.56%. Very well, once you have thoroughly reviewed and seen this particular account, you will then proceed to scroll down the page and precisely click right here. And when you arrive at the comprehensive $1,500 package, you will then carefully click on it to select it. For those who are building the team, this is not the leader's account, but for those who are building the team, you will see here that you do not have the bonus. So you will make the payment with the main account. At this point, you just click there. So once the payment has been made, you wait 10 seconds and refresh the page automatically. You come back here to your structure and you will see that the structure is very well defined. Your contribution is $1,500. I'm talking here about the people who make up the team, who support and assist the leader. With your contribution of $1,500, you have a total of $2,500 invested in your team. You will see there 1.39%. So this has increased and allowed you to get very close, or at least closer, to the partner race, to get closer to the prize for the European winner, the laureate. I'm doing it here, you see, your bonus is $133. That's basically what I wanted to show you today. You can see in more detail that after each purchase, everything is automatically updated and distributed. You can see in the structure, you can follow everything here to the letter. You will also see the other people, the other teams. You will also see their structure, you will see their percentage. You can follow it exactly to know who is ahead and who is behind, so you can put some pressure on yourself and hope to be the European winner. Hurry up, friends, you don't have much time left. Of course, we have 3 days, but now is the time to build our team. Let me remind you that you can build your team. If there are any details, you can discuss them together within your team, even try to review the policy, reconsider who will be the leader, who will continue. You can discuss things together. So this was just a video I wanted to make today to talk to you a bit about the partner race. Feel absolutely free to leave your valuable messages in the comments section, any thoughtful responses or helpful suggestions you might have. Please do not hesitate at all to post them in the comments and to kindly like this video that you are currently watching, which will certainly allow you to become a true winner and ultimately win a truly grand prize, a brand new car. So my friends, thank you for watching this video. We'll see you again next week to talk about current events, to discuss all the latest news from the ELECTROATOM company. Thank you very much, and let me kindly remind you that we are always here for you. So take care and see you very soon. Goodbye.